I'm Brady Ranweiler, and we're in Show Cars Automotive, Newell, Minnesota, owned by myself, my brother, and my father. It always was a goal of ours to build a car to the level that could go and compete at SEMA and the Battle of the Builders.
The winner is Brady Ranweiler in a 1963 Chevy full custom two-door wagon. Congratulations.
In 2010, we won a GM Design Award at SEMA, which opened a lot of doors to build this car. Roughly 15, 16 years ago, it was purchased to be a shop parts getter. Never really got it on the road. We started with this car because if we wrecked it, it really wasn't going to be a loss to anybody at the time. This was our first custom car. Of the original sheet metal on the car, there's only a portion of the roof that's actually the stock sheet metal. Otherwise, everything's hand built into one piece. The body is 17 feet long, unitized. Front fenders, cowl. The car has a fully powered hood. It opens and closes, and all the mechanisms are hidden inside the fender compartment. Doors don't have door poppers. They actually have a actuator on the latch that releases the latch, and the weather stripping pushes the door open. Back gate opens and closes under power. Back tail light opens and closes 180 degrees out of the way. Reclocks itself, and that acts as a gas tank door. There's well over 100 one-off parts that my brother did in-house here at our shop that just sit on the engine alone, and over 300 parts that he machined for us that are on the entire car. Today, many of the modern things that are involved in our company, be it 3D printing, scanning, the CNC work that we do, all of those aspects were things that we learned or got into through SEMA. For years we've sprayed our own paint. A lot of the tech at SEMA became personal acquaintances of ours, people that we can get in touch with. You know, you see the past Battle of the Builders while you're building a vehicle, and you oftentimes think and hope, boy, that'd be great to be a part of that, and actually accomplishing it is a dream come true.